Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the Xbox Cloud Gaming which is not working, or you are getting a long period of time as it is showing right here. Lots of people are playing, wait time is about 60 minutes, or you are getting the error there was a problem. Refresh or go back to home page. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to Microsoft Store and click on the library, and if you have any update available for Xbox, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, close it off here and right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps, you just need to search for Xbox. Click on the three dot icon next to it and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option. After finishing this, select the reset option. Now you just need to close it off here and restart the Xbox application and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select time and language. On right side, click on language and religion. In Windows display language, click on this drop down and change the language to as same as English United States. For example, I just selected before English India. Now I just changed it to United States. Just change it guys, and after that you just need to go back and select date and time. Now in here, if you set to automatically set time zone, you just need to turn it off and set manually to other time zone. And after setting this, close it off here and check if the problem solved or not guys. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This will uninstall the gaming service, and copy the second command and paste it. This will open Microsoft Store to install gaming service guys. Click on the get option and install it. After installing it, just close it off here and relaunch the Xbox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.